What is happening to me? Why is it that people don't come close to me anymore? Or is it that I was born to suffer? God forbid. But it's only broke that I'm broke now. I'm only hoping on God. God, please help me. Yes, I only get money to drink.
God have mercy upon us.
Bro, see, let me tell you. People will not look for you when you are broke. People will not come to your house when you are broke. People only enjoy you when they see you begging. People will only get tired of you when you are broke. But don't worry. Just a call. Just a text. Just a minute can change your story. Money will come only when you are ready. How can I make this money? I need to make money. Bro, follow me. Let's have a walk. Okay.
I am Mumu, I too much. You be Mumu.
But bro, how can I make this money? Bro, how can I make this money? Bro, do you know that your destiny is in your hands? My hands? Yeah. But there is nothing in my hands. How much is that cigarette and kaka you are taking over there? It's 200 naira. I take it 2 times. That is 400 naira.
You be Mumu.
Calculate 200 naira times 366.
You think say they wise?
How much is it? It's just 146,000.
Hey!
Do you know that you have been squandering 146,000 naira every year? Okay, now 146,000 naira times the years you have. That's why I tell you, destiny.
But a lie! You are a failure. You are a failure.
That's what 1.6 million naira. 6 years.
Thanks for watching that funny comment. See, in this life, no stress, no success. You understand? You have to work hard. Make condition. Don't just fold your hands. Waiting for manners to fall down. Sure. You understand? So, thanks for watching that funny comment. Please subscribe. Ability Comedy and Young Comedy International. They're here to make you learn. You understand? Just believe in yourself. Only but one day. One day. One love.